Hi Varun, Urvi here.
Hi.
In the center. Varun?
हाँ जी, sorry.
Yeah. Hi. Varun, how difficult was it for you to get into the skin of the character for this video?
You know what's scary for me? That when I started this film, it was the most difficult thing to become Raghu for me. I thought, matlab, it's something I can't do. It's an unachievable task. Now, when someone tells me to become Raghu or do scenes like Raghu, it happens a little fast, which is very scary for me because this is one character I want to run away from. It's not something I want to embrace because it's not a morally or a very happy character to stay with. These are memories I want to let go of. It's a character that's taken a lot away from me. So it's starting to come very easy to me now, which is a bit, yeah, it's a bit scary actually now.
Varun, here. Hi, this is
Hi.
Khushbu. Varun, गाना
Cuckoo.
बहुत Khushbu.
Khushbu. Hi,
Okay.
Khushbu.
The song is very amazing, very outstanding. I love the song.
Thank
Love the track. You know, Varun, मुझे ये जानना है जब ये जो गाना आपने किया, मतलब कैसे प्रिपेयर हुए आप इस गाने के लिए?
आई थिंक बदलापुर में हर चीज़ हम लोग ने बहुत डिस्कस करके होमवर्क करके की है. अहमद सर से, जैसे अहमद सर ने कहा, मैंने उनसे फ़ोन पे बहुत बात की. हम लोग ने सचिन जिगर के स्टूडियो में हम लोग मिले. डीनो के बहुत आइडियाज़ थे, श्रीराम के बहुत आइडियाज़ थे, अनिल मेहता हैड अ माइंड टू शूट इट. आई थिंक इट्स द कमिंग टुगेदर ऑफ सो मेनी ग्रेट पीपल. दैट्स श्रीराम, अनिल मेहता, डीनू, अनाइटा जिन्होंने कपड़े किए, अहमद सर who has so much work behind him, and he actually told me not what to do in this video. इन्होंने नहीं कहा कि वरुण ये कर ये कर ये कर. उन्होंने बोला ये रास्ते पे मत जाना, ये रास्ते पे नहीं जाना. And one part I would like to single out एक Jami, who I think we are all so grateful to, कि वो कश्मीर से she flew, reached Bombay at 10 o'clock at night. पूरी रात उन्होंने शूटिंग की और सुबह में 6 या 7 बजे की फ्लाइट पकड़ के वापस कश्मीर चली गई. And she looked so beautiful in the song, and the way he actually directed that portion of Yami and me, he told me that कि a person that you love वो आपके सामने है और वो आपको प्यार कर रही है, पर आपको पता है कि वो इंसान actually जीवित नहीं है, that it's actually a ghost or that person's not there, but you're seeing that person and you know it's fake, but yet you want that love and you're longing for it. तो I think ये सब मेरे दिमाग में था और जिस तरीके से इन्होंने मुझसे कराया बस वैसे ही हो गया.
ओके वरुण, जब ये गाना मतलब आपके दोस्तों ने या फिर जो इंडस्ट्री के लोगों ने देखा, क्या रिएक्शन मिला आपके फ्रेंड्स का, आलिया, सिद्धार्थ, आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
मैंने एक्चुअली ये वीडियो करण जौहर, मैं वेगिस में था, तो मैंने खाली करण सर को दिखाया था. जब मैं वापस आया था, आई मेट हिम, द फर्स्ट पर्सन आई मेट हिम, और उनको दिखाया था. एंड इट्स अ वेरी पर्सनल थिंग बिकॉज इट्स नॉट हिज टाइप ऑफ फिल्म, बट I want to make him, like I want to make my dad proud. Karan is some person I want to make proud as well, and I'm waiting for 20th of Feb so that he can say things in the open that he's telling me in person.
ओके वरुण, अपार्ट फ्रॉम सॉन्ग, जब ये मूवी आपके पास आई, ये कैरेक्टर, आप इससे पहले मतलब आपकी जो इमेज है अलग थी, और अब ये दो राय नहीं कि रघु को भी लोग उतना ही पसंद कर रहे हैं, बट आपको थोड़ी इनसिक्योरिटी नहीं हुई, डर नहीं लगा कि ऐसा कैरेक्टर मतलब मैं लेकर जाऊंगा, लोग, आपके ऑडियंस, आपके फैंस इसको एक्सेप्ट करेंगे?
100% डर हुआ था, and something Dinu had said that you might scare the children away and stuff like that. But I think we have a lot of intelligent people in our country, और सब लोग जानते हैं कि ये सिर्फ एक कैरेक्टर है. मैं एक्चुअली हथौड़ा लेके किधर नहीं जाता, and I'm quite friendly otherwise. So I think, and I'm doing a lot of stuff for the kids. Yeah, after this ABCD 2 आने वाली है, which is totally a kids film, and there's another film that's going to be announced soon. So I think बच्चों के लिए बहुत है आगे, but I think something for the adults, something for people who thought I was a bit cheesy in my first 3 films. So now they'll get this dose as well.
Hi Varun, this is Prerna.
Hi Prerna.
Yeah, so in this movie you're romancing 3 pretty ladies, Yami, Huma and Divya. So आप सबसे ज़्यादा comfortable
Actually
किसके
4.
साथ? Oh, 4.
एक और है, राधिका आप्टे.
Okay, so
मैं किसी को नहीं छोड़ूंगा.
सबसे ज़्यादा comfortable आप किसके साथ थे?
सबके साथ.
But still एक वो rapport bonding जिसके साथ build up हो गया होगा.
I genuinely think all 4. In fact, आप डीनो को पूछ सकते हैं क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि इन्होंने जब कास्टिंग शुरू की थी, I think Sriram would get. I think when we did the love making scene, Sriram himself was a little taken aback by how comfortable me and Yami were, because we were really in the emotion as man and wife, man and woman. And whereas I think the thing that's taken everyone aback is a little bit the Divya Datta kiss. But I don't see why, because Divya is a very, very beautiful woman and she's an amazing actress. And plus, I'm not playing 27 at that time. I'm playing a much older age. तो उस वक्त जैसे मैंने कहा कि बदलापुर के ड्यूरिंग आई वाज इन अ ट्रांस, आई एक्चुअली फेल्ट कि मैं एक
He's a
older
very
man-
dedicated actor.
older
He
man.
makes actors very comfortable, especially the female ones.
Okay,
My father's left, so
That's why I checked.
this song has a lot of pain. So has something like this ever happened in your life where you actually sing कि आज मेरा जी करदा मर जाइया?
I think it's happened in everyone's life
So
at some point.
would you like to share?
And the truth is that people who are young, it will happen in their life. Like happiness is part of our life, so is sadness. Share matlab in the sense that everyone has had loved ones who have left them, who have gone away, hopefully to a better place, who have left them and gone away, hopefully to a better spouse or to a better person. So I think we've all gone through heartbreaks and heart pains. So I kind of drew through that. Something that did happen to me was, before I started this film, is I lost my grandmother. Something that I never let out, but more than me, I think the pain obviously hit my mother, who lost her mother. And because she's my mother, I saw that very up close and personal. And actually, before we started the film, Sriram and me spoke a lot about death and about how people react to death in different ways. And I learned a lot. I mean, because obviously he has more experience, so he's seen way more than me in life.
हाय वरुण, आलोक here from
Hi Alok, how are you?
हाय, आई एम गुड। सवाल ये है कि कितनी बार चोटें लगी थी टोटल, क्योंकि अखबारों में हमने पढ़ा, लेकिन अभी आपसे जानना चाहेंगे क्योंकि 2 अंतरे 1 मुखड़ा है गाने का, तो ओवरऑल।
जो 2 लोग इधर राइट पे बैठे हैं, आप इनसे पूछ लो, क्योंकि इनको पता है एग्जैक्ट। अहमद सर से पूछ लो, तीनों
He's
से पूछ
got
लो।
burnt, then he's fallen down, then he's hit himself, then we've hit him
ये
with
जो
bottles.
जो बॉटल्स तोड़े हैं, ये पूरा अहमद सर का आइडिया था।
Ahmed sir went himself to throw the
Yeah, he did.
मैंने सिर्फ एक फोड़ी।
बट
नहीं,
थोड़ा
नहीं,
था।
सर, झूठा मैंने देखा आपको, एक दो तीन ऐसे एक के बाद एक आप देख रहे थे। हाँ।
Others were thrown here, there, and we were not getting that effect. I said-
Retakes कितने हुए
I said,
उसके?
BD, मैं आता हूँ. I came with the bottle, and the bottle which slammed him here was me. And I'm very sorry about that, BD. And he said something hit me very hard here. And that was the okay shot. तो कभी आप गाना वापस देखिएगा तो उसमें देखिएगा एक बॉटल जो बहुत जोरदार यहाँ बेचारे को पड़ी है. And it flew, and sweet of him, after that whole night he shot with all the glasses all over him.
पायरो
The
पायरो
pyro.
का बता दो, जो मतलब there's a thing of, it's called cold pyro, जो झूठ है। there's nothing like cold pyro, anything that's fire
BD,
is
BD,
always hot।
there is, but उस दिन hot pyro.
और वापस
There's
ये
a pyro which there's a shower like a Niagara Fall. तो ऊपर से it falls down. And I said, VD, we called cold pyros. And I don't know what went wrong with those idiots. They ended up getting hot pyro. And he stood inside, and that runs for nice 25, 30 seconds. And Varun, poor thing, I said, start walking in style. He started walking in style. The moment he came below that pyro, his expressions changed. And I said, we're shooting in 2000 frames. Why is he changing? And later on, he came out and there was smoke coming.
from Raghu I become Bhagu।
Poor thing, and I'm very sorry about that, Varun.
No, no, it's all
But
worth
the
it, at
other
least.
thing is, he went back for one more retake. And he stood in that pyro and he started hitting his hand. And finally, we had to pull him out. And then we put ice all over his head, especially for you to know. He was really injured. He was burnt and he was bruised at the back also. So, this happened, glass tuta. Then he had to break the brick wall. And that was a real brick. And Varun, such a real brick.
Okay,
na?
Sunny Deol will be happy after this video for sure।
मिस्टर राघवन, आपसे भी सवाल है कि जो आपकी टैग लाइन है, डोंट मिस द बिगिनिंग, बस यही, तो ये यूज की गई अभी पीके के लिए, उसके दौरान भी ये यूज किया गया, तो अभी आप खुश हैं कि आपकी टैग लाइन हर तरफ प्रचार प्रसार में लगी हुई है?
हाँ, मैं तो खुश हूँ यार, पीके में भी यूज किया। मीन यू शुड नॉट मिस द बिगिनिंग ऑफ एनी मूवी, लेकिन हमारा मूवी में तो मतलब पहले 5 मिनट अगर आपने मिस किया तो आपको कहानी अलग लगेगी। इसलिए मैं इंसिस्ट कर रहा हूँ कि जैसा थिएटर में होता है, पृथ्वी में होता है कि आप एक बार शुरू होने के बाद अंदर नहीं जा सकते, कोशिश कर रहे हैं ऐसा कुछ करने के लिए।